Today we will discuss about the important payment terms used in finance in buying and selling is CAD. CAD stand for cash against documents. Cash against documents. In payment terms, CAD is a type of payment method used in international trade. Just like LCs, different types of LCs are used. The same term is used in international trades. It ensures that buyer receives the shipping and title documents for the goods only after the payment is made to seller. Okay. Ensure buyer receives the shipping and title documents for the goods after only payment is made to seller. There are different features of this payment method. First is a process. In process, the seller ships the goods and hands over to shipping documents such as bill of lading, invoice, and packing list to their bank. The seller's bank then forward the documents to buyer's bank. In third step, buyer's bank release the document to the buyer only after the buyer makes full payment. That is very important point. The buyer's bank releases the documents to the buyer only after the buyer makes full payment. Next step, once the payment is made, the buyer receives the documents needed to claim ownership of the goods. So in this method, buyer's bank releases the documents to the buyer only after the buyer makes the full payment. Payment is done first, document is released then. Second feature, risk with respect to risk for the seller. Cash against documents reduces the risk of non-payment because the buyer cannot access the documents needed to receive the goods until they pay. Because first seller receives the payment and then documents are released. So in this method, the risk is reduced for the seller. For the buyer faces less risk since they do not have the pay until the goods have been shipped. But there is still a risk if the goods are not as expected. So for the case of the buyer, you can say the buyer faces the less risk since they do not have pay until the goods have been shipped. But there is still a risk if the goods are not as expected, as committed. So the risk factor for the both is reduced, very much reduced for the case of seller, well less reduced for the case of buyer. Third key feature is comparison with other methods. We can say letter of credit is more secure than CAD for the both buyer and seller as it involves the bank guarantee. If we compare with LC, LC stand for letter of credit is more secure than CAD, cash against document, for the buyer and for the seller because it involves a bank guarantee. Bank is guarantor. So the risk for the both seller and buyer reduces in the case of LC as compared to CAD. CAD is simpler, usually cheaper than LC because There is no bank guarantee involved, but it provides less security for both parties. So both have advantages and disadvantages. In the case of LC, it is more secure but is slightly expensive. For the case of CAD, it is simpler, cheaper, but it is less secure as there is no guarantee by bank. When is CAD used? When is CAD used? This term is used. First, trust level. CAD is typically used when the buyer and seller have a moderate level of trust but still need some level of security in their transaction. It is more common when buyer has a good credit history. Okay. And the second, we can say cost efficiency. It is preferred when parties wants to avoid the higher fees associated with letter of credit. As we have discussed in previous slide, letter of credit is more secure, but it is slightly costly as compared to CAD. Summary, we can conclude that in a sense, CAD is a payment method where the documents needed to claim the goods are handed over to the buyer only after the payment is made, adding a layer of security for the seller without the complexities of an LC. I hope by this lecture your concept about the CAD, cash against documents, would be very clear. And further, we have also uh, compare with LC what is advantage and disadvantages of LC and what are the advantages and disadvantages of CAD. CAD is cheaper but is less secure. LC is slightly costly but it is secure because of bank guarantee. I hope by this lecture your concept would be very clear. See you in next video with another topic. Thank you, Lafis, and subscribe for the more videos.